Hello everybody, my name is Chris Kaczynski, and here is the beginning steps of my RV8 build. What you're seeing here today is the finishing of my inventory process, where I'm inventorying the last nuts, bolts, rivets, and fasteners of the empennage kit of the RV8 airplane. Went out to Home Depot and I purchased myself a screw organizer from Husky, and now I'm just making labels and inventorying at the same time all of the nuts, bolts, rivets, and fasteners and putting them in their place. This helps reduce time for me searching for all these parts when I have them easily labeled and clearly labeled right in front of me. Also, what Vans likes to do is send a fresh copy of the plans with each section. And here, I'm just adding those fresh set of plans to my pre-purchase plans uh, and putting them in the binder nicely and nice and organized. Those big sheets of paper are the expanded views of all the components that you'll be putting together in this kit.